Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey, Poppy here. It's looking like this is going to be my tool making competition 2020 entry. Because of this virus, I don't seem to be able to get the material I need for this project. And I'm going to illustrate it to you with some graphic aids. Talk to Lyle Peterson about graphic teaching aids. Okay, this, you see, shear line, rotary table. You notice the hole in the middle with your nice registry hole that your adapter screws on, your chuck screw on, your faceplate screws on there. Of course, you got your T-slots so you can bolt stuff directly to the table. When I first got my rotary table, long ago, we're talking like 96, 97, yeah, that long ago, I had one of them little hex insert screwdriver bits. There's a Wahia. Anyway, one of them, I forget the exact size, was wrong. They sent me a metric instead of the imperial size. They said, oh, well, he won't know it with it. I knew. I went across the street, Napa, and I got the right size. It was a 1/4-inch shank. I screw the 3-jaw chuck, my shear line 3-jaw chuck on here. I put that big bit in there with, the butt sticking out. Clamp down on it, get on 0, bring my grinding wheel in, whoop, screech, halt, crash. 14 and a fraction degrees off. There's a whole video, 14 and a fraction degrees. It's in playlist. Watch it. You'll understand. Okay, I was going shim the chuck to get that 14-degree variance. I mean, I was getting to the point where I was like one of these CNC guys torquing each tiny little tool onto each tiny little part onto the pallet, because if you don't have exact right amount of torque on the screws holding it down, it goes, I've seen the videos of these guys. I was having that problem with this minusculely thin washer. I mean, we're talking 1 3/4 thousandths to 2 1/4 thousandths, depending on, yeah. Anyway, I just ground it down to the Wahia size, left it 14 and a fraction degrees off. It's in the kit. Burned me up. What if I want to have another hex part in that 3-jaw chuck on that rotary table and have it line up? Okay. Look at here. 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 245, 270, 315, and back to 360. Make believe this ragged hole here is a hole. It's a big damn hole. It's only like a 1/4 inch thick here on this rim. And here, only a 1/4 of an inch thick here. Just enough to go onto the rotary table. So I put that 3-dot chuck on there. It gets on there. This moves. There's going to be bonnet end or a neoprene O-ring in a slot here, holding it snug to the table, but adjustable. That way I don't have to worry about screws, clamping screws, pushing it off center. Right? Put my hex part in here. Indicate it in so that it's straight. Bring 0. I'll have a white Delrin collar on the hand wheel of my rotary table. This is white Delrin, by the way. This little ring here on the edge of the rotary table here. White Delrin. I'll get to why this instead of the white Delrin. I will, promise you. Anyway, with this adjustable white Delrin, graduated every degree. I just did, the cardinals and ones between here because I didn't want to pull out an ultrafine Sharpie. This is just a visual aid. It ain't even proof of concept. Anyway, rotate this to 0. The white Delrin for the graduations on the hand wheel. That is 0. Boom! I've made this hand wheel in 50. There's a video for that. Like 3 of them, I think. Yeah, 3 or 4 of them. Watch them. Okay, with this and this, that hex part will never be out of alignment on that face to the cutter, grinder, whatever tool is coming at that face. They will be parallel. Here, let me throw my rotary table over here across the shop. Okay, why do I not have the white Delrin to make that? I've got the 1.5 inch for the hand wheel, right? No problem. Well, with the virus, everyone is closed. No one's working. Thursday? What was it, Thursday? I believe it was Thursday. I online ordered to McMaster car 6x6x1 white Delrin. My little cordless keyboard battery was low, so a lot of things didn't go right. But it managed to give them my credit card number right, and my address here right? Well, I pushed change order, and computer screwed up. I want white, not black, and I need a total now. Why doesn't McMaster give you a total? It'll be computed. We'll compute it now. If I ever order from McMaster again, it'll be on the phone and give me a total before you get the credit card number. Yeah. Anyway, that is my Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop Tool Making Competition 2020 entry, unless I get the freaking Delrin. Then I can shoot a whole 5 or 6 episode series on making that ring. I'm going to get real detailed. I mean, people think I'm Lacoye. Good night from California. Stay safe. Stay alive. Remember, rich guys want you to die so they can make more money. Don't let them.